Okay, this is C programming language. Okay, installation and getting started. We need to create a folder or a repository. You can see in VS Code here, I've already created my folder. I've actually also created my C file. So that's the basis we're actually going to show you here. You can see the folder is actually created. We'll select that folder. Now we need that file we created. It will need to always have a .c extension, because when we are compiling, it needs to have that .c extension. You can confirm from the terminal that GCC is not installed, because if we run GCC with the code, you'll notice that it is not installed. But that's not how we'll be running our file, but that's just a sample. We're going to install the GCC that we're going to use for compiling our files. You'll notice that I'm using, this is actually Linux, I'm using bash instead of PowerShell that you notice from Windows. You can check out any videos that you can use to install bash so that you'll be able to see how codes are actually run even using a main server or Linux system. It will be better that way. Then you can copy that code into this file, so that this is what we're going to test run to show you how that GCC actually compiles its files. So you notice that there's an error. We're going to create a file called stdio.h that is going to have what we actually included in this C file to get rid of that error. After we do that, you'll notice that the error has actually gone out. We'll just create a sample we're going to define something there just to make that include file to have a content. This is actually what the warnings actually meant for when using GCC to run in a file. We'll definitely be using this for all our compilation, so as to be able to have a more perfect and standard code. You can see we actually compiled this file and we're going to run it, and you'll see the output hello world. So this is the basis. These are other include stuff which you can check out, but we'll still come to that later on.